G'day, Peter from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines, and this time we're going to talk about the bar tack button. This W here is your programmable bar tack. Now to turn that on, all we do is a short push because it's on the top.
W bar tacking.
Now this is true for all jack machines that have this symbol on their control panel. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got a stitch length and A.
Arrow right.
Okay.
Arrow right.
B. There's no C.
Arrow right.
We've got D instead. I'm going to turn this voice off.
Voice reminder function off.
Alright, so A is 4 stitches forward. B is 4 stitches backwards. And it's going to do that 3 times with a stitch length of 3. Now these are all programmable from 1 to 9, so however long you need your bar tack to be, you can program that and include your stitch length, so you can have whatever you want really. Now I've got my cutter on and a pincher so I don't have any tails, and I've also got the presser foot lift on at this point. Alright, let's go and see what it does. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do 4 stitches forward, 4 stitches back, 3 times. And there's our bar tack. 4 stitches forward, 4 stitches back, 3 times. And then automatic cut. Now I can make that longer if I want to. Let's go back up here. So we'll go, it might be a little bit harder to control single-handed, but we'll do, how about we go 8, 8, and we'll do it twice. Program that in, and then we'll come back over. Here we go. So that's gone forward and back 8 stitches long twice. So there's layered twice there. So we can do that again, and we'll change D. So we'll do it 4 times. It might get a little bit messy, so I can't control it, but we'll see how it goes. And there we have 8 stitches forward, 8 stitches back, 4 times. And that's our bar tack function. Thank you.